On the way to the weight bridge, I want to find out how heavy the virtual naked moped is before it's loaded with all the luggage. I've already been running on reserve for 10 kilometers. The reserve is about 2 liters. According to Adam Giant, that would be about 1.6 kilograms. I still have a tank bag mounted. At the moment, it will come off at the scales. I also take off the first aid kit. And the pump. I have weighted all the parts themselves. Attachments, removed parts or replaced parts. For almost all of them at home. I will make a separate video about what I have thought of or come up with to reduce the weight even further. Riding I'm to company I don't know, but they have a heavy large weight bridge because they process scrap metal, so I have been there once or several times. They are generally quite accommodating in that regard. I'll stop there for a moment and ask if I can do that again. See you soon. I'm allowed to ride on it. I've taken off the first aid kit and the air pump. And now it's the moment of truth. I'm excited. We are all excited. I'm now at 220 kilos. Put it in neutral. Whenever I go down, we are exactly 140 kilos. How wonderful is that? Oh, there is a lot of metal moving behind the walls right now. Do we know that now? So let's go. Very good. Now that I know the weight, I can calculate, or shall I put it, not the empty weight, but the conversion weight. If you don't fit the attachments, such as hand guards and luggage rack, and also remove them and deduct the 2 liters of petrol, which is approximately 0.8 kilogram per liter. That's another 1.5 kilo less than the 140 on the scales. Ergo, we already have, instead of 140 kilogram, only 138.5 kilos without the fuel in the tank. With an 18-liter tank, that's virtually unmatched in this vehicle segment. There is no other moped that is so light, has such long service intervals, and has such a large tank. Yes, unfortunately, People in red are at a slight disadvantage. But that's something everybody has to decide for themselves. And yes, if you like to ride in orange, you simply have to carry an extra 20 kilograms with you on the Adventure 390 without any luggage or luggage rack or perhaps even a set mount. I even had 2 phone holders on it. Steering damper, the riser for the steering damper, which also weighs something I know, but I don't know off the top of my head. But I made a note of it. End guards also weight something. And yes, as I said, I'll go into that in more detail. And now I'm going to end this recording.